today I am going to put light on some of the Zoho chatbot features, which is highly customizable. And Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of chatbot features that can elevate your website's chatbot. It delivers seamless, personalized, customizable experience. Let's explore some of them. The first one is UI, customizable UI. You can uh, customize your chatbot's UI according to your company's logo and the colors which you prefer, which your company prefer. And you can even add your company's logo in it. And you can also additionally add a CSS script which can wholly change the chatbot UI. The next one is explore chatbot widgets. Widgets utilize chatbot widgets to access across platforms. Means we can use this chatbot in various platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram with the help of these widgets. Embed the chatbot widgets. We'll get a link which is nothing but a widget, and we can embed this widget like we have embedded the widget in website. We can also embed this link into social media pages and also social media chatting apps, which will offer customers the convenience of interfacing with chatbot from their preferred channels. Next one is CRM. CRM is one of the most important thing when coming to lead management. Lead management is nothing but the traffic coming in, traffic of your website. This CRM can flawlessly manage the traffic coming into your website. These are some of the important highlighting features: lead scoring and routing. Leverage Sales IQ's lead scoring capability to automatically assign score to website visitors on their actions. This means that when a visitor visits the website, they'll get a score based on what they'll get a score based on what they have browsed or how they have given the reviews. So this is here it makes us easy to manage the leads and the visitors of website. Visitor tracking and personalization. Track page view, click, submission to understand customers' interest. This helps to track the clicks of the customers, where the customers have mostly clicked and what is their personal choice. According to their interest, we can give them their desired recommendation. Reporting and analytics. This is another one of the important part of CRM. In CRM, reporting and analysis plays a crucial role, identifying common customer issues and measuring effectiveness of chatbot response. Means if 10 to 50 customers have the similar issue, we can actually see which issue is most common in the customers, and we can effectively change or upgrade those issues. Next one is proactive engagement. Explore Zoho VBook. Configure VBook to trigger specific actions. Means we can trigger a specific action based on some action or some response by the user. You can notify the chatbot when a new lead is created in Zoho CRM, allowing the chatbot to automatically greet the lead and initiate the conversation.